Welcome to Little Feathers. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic. What your child is supposed to learn in UKG. Hello moms. We are going to see UKG syllabus today. Without wasting much time, let's go to the video. So this is the UKG syllabus. So this syllabus suits for CBSE, ICSE, ISC, SSC and so on. There may be different types of curriculum, but these are the basic portions which you need to cover. So as you can see, the subjects, there are 4 main subjects for UKG. English, Maths, GK and Rhymes. So these are the 4 important subjects for UKG. So let us see each subject in detail. The first one is English. So as you can see, in English, the first topic is letter. So letter is none other than alphabets. So capital A, small a, till capital Z and small z. In LKG itself, you have to make your child thorough in alphabets, because once they are in UKG, we will be focusing on the phonics and other things like vowels, articles like that. So your child should be thorough in alphabets. So that is the first step, that is identification. You can recap the alphabets when you are starting the UKG portions. The second one is sounds. Sounds in the sense it is phonics. So phonics you need to see. Like A says A, B says B. You can move on to the phonics if they are thorough with the alphabets. Then objects related to letters. For example, A is for apple. So here you need to start telling orally the letters also. Spellings also, like apple, A-P-P-L-E. So that stage you can improve slowly once they are thorough with alphabets. So the next one is vowels and consonants. So if there are 26 alphabets in English, so your child should be able to distinguish vowels and consonants. So that's the next stage. Then if they are thorough with vowels and consonants, you can slowly introduce 3-letter words, that is vowel words. CVC. CVC is nothing but consonants, vowels, again consonants. For example, bat. B-A-T, bat. P-A-T, pat. Like that, simple words you can introduce in the next stage. The next one is article. A or an. The next one is this, that, these and those. And the next one is one, many, and then ordinary position and rhyming words. These are all related to letter. So this is the first one. The next one is reading. For reading, you can introduce like words and sentences. And you can ask your child to read it aloud. Like simple sentences, not too big. You can use one letter or 2-letter words in that sentence. I am a girl, I am a boy. Like that, the simple sentences you can introduce, and you can ask them and you can help them to read it. You can use flashcards also to introduce some words, and then oral introduction. You can ask your child to give oral introduction. Like my name is, I am a girl, I am 8 years old. All these helps in reading and also in communication. The next one is storytelling and conversation. These two plays a very important role in improving their communication. So this is for the reading part. The next one is picture composition. So your child has to make sentences with certain words. So pictures will be given. From that picture, your child has to identify and form sentences. So the next one is use of in, on, under, above. That is prepositions. So from the picture, it will be easy for them to learn the preposition. This is the next one. So these are all in English. As you can see, letter, reading and picture composition. These are the 3 main topics to be covered in English for UKG. The next comes Maths. So for Maths, we have divided around 3 topics. And the first one is pre-math concept. So in pre-math concept, a child should learn same or different, big, small, tall, short, more, less, heavy, light, in, out, thick, thin, right, left, front, back, top, bottom. All opposites but relating to maths. These are all the pre-maths concept. This is also very, very important for them while they go to the primary level. So this is the first topic which we will be recapping in UKG. The next comes numbers. So for numbers, it is from 1 till 200. So you have to make your child to write numbers from 1 till 200. The next one is count and write. This part you can make more interesting and fun part for your child. You can give them colorful worksheets, like you can draw images on one side and write the numbers. They can match by counting it. So the next one is before, after, between. For this you can give numbers from 1 till 100 because 200 they are learning only in UKG. So you can give only till 1 to 100 for before, after, between. And the next one is forward counting. For forward counting also, you can give from 1 till 100. The next one is backward counting. But for backward counting, you can give only till 50 because it will be a little bit confusing for the child. So this is the first time they will be learning backward counting. So you can reduce the numbers till 50. The next one is number name. So that 1 till 100 is more than enough. The next one is skip counting. So for skip counting, you can introduce only 2 and 5. So for 2 skip counting, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. For 5, it is 0, 5, 10 like that. You can slowly introduce them skip counting. The next one is picture addition. And then 1 digit addition, then picture subtraction, 1 digit subtraction, then time and money. So these are all in numbers. You can give simple addition and simple subtraction using objects also and make it easy for them to learn the concept. The next one is they can learn the greater than, less than and equal to symbols using same pictures. And then addition, subtraction without objects, that is in the last part. Because without pictures or without objects, it will be a little bit difficult for the child. So that you can do it in the later part. And the next one is shapes name. You can introduce circle, square, rectangle, triangle, semicircle, oval and diamond. These shapes you can introduce to your child with names. Because in UKG, they should be able to learn along with the name. So with the spelling. So that is very, very important for UKG. So these are all in maths. Pre-maths concept, numbers and then shapes name. So the next one is general awareness. In general awareness, the first one is myself. So in myself, we have different topics like parts of body, sense organ, my family, my home and my school. The next one is animals, birds and insects. The next one is fruits and vegetables. And then plants and foods. Then vehicles, then air and water. Then safety, nature, my country, people at work, good manners, days of week or months of year. So these are all the topics which your child will be learning in general knowledge. Okay. These are the portions which you need to cover for UKG. So apart from this, I have also divided term wise also. So term 1, term 2 and term 3. So this I have uploaded as a separate video and the description I have given down so that it will be easy for you to break up the portions. So you can look for this video in the description below.